Okay, I'm seeing 3 lace bags right off the bat. Goes hard. Ooh, we do have suede. I'm seeing a bunch of different materials used on the shoe. What's good, Soul Squad? It's Jordan. Hope you're having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Today we're back at it with another sneaker video. We're going to be taking a look at the brand new Jordan 1 in the prototype colorway.
If you ain't subscribed, you just sneak this in. You gotta hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, this is my first pair of shoes. I haven't had a pair of shoes before. Before we get into these shoes, I just want to say we are so close to the big 500 goal. Make sure to join the Soul Squad. Make sure to subscribe. We're always putting out new videos over here. But yeah, so today is September 24th, 2021, and the Air Jordan 1 in the prototype colorway has officially dropped. This model did have a lot of mixed reviews about it. Yeah, we're going to take a look at it, get it in hand, get you guys some B-roll. As we know, the Air Jordan 1 dropped in 1985. It was designed by Peter Moore, and the original 2 colorways, the Chicago and Bread/Band, stemmed all the new Jordans and Jordan 1 colorways we get today. So now it's time to check out these shoes. I'm very excited for these. I'm super glad I was able to get my hand on these. I tried on the Sneakers Reserve, did not work, but a local store crossover came through and I was able to secure my pair from there. So shout out to them, and yeah, let's go ahead and get it. Off the bat, I really do like this box. The top I like the most. The bottom we have this beige kind of khaki color with the orange Nike logo on it. If you guys look at the size tag right there. But yeah, I really love this box. It is something different. Every time Jordan brand does something new and different, I really enjoy it. Yeah, so on the top we do have some foreshadowing to what the sneaker will hold. Looks amazing. But now to get into the shoe, we have the quality control sticker on the top. And yeah, so we also do have different paper. This is a brown paper, no special markings on it at all. And here we go for the Air Jordan 1 in the prototype colorway. I can't see it, but okay, I'm seeing 3 lace bags right off the bat. Goes hard. Ooh, we do have suede. I'm seeing a bunch of different materials used on the shoe. I love this stitching pattern that they used. It is looking good so far, I cannot lie. Wow, okay, yeah. Something I always like is when we get different laces. That's why I like the light crimsons. I always mix up the name on that. But we got 4 laces on here. White, orange, blue, and black. So right off the bat, that's a big plus for me. That's something I always like so much. And I saw some pictures with the orange laces. Those look fire. So definitely gonna have to try those out. But man, look at this Nike swoosh right here. I think this is something that I would like to see on more of the Jordan 1 releases. It's just I don't know, it's that extra detail. We saw a swoosh like this on the Para Dunks, on the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy Low. I just like the swoosh. It comes in the orange colorway. Looks great. Really complements the whole shoe very, very well, man. From the box, it's corresponding greatly to what is actually on the shoe, and I'm liking the details so far. I know these were not really a sought after Air Jordan 1 just because of how out there it really is, but man, I really like it. And what I'm seeing is the suede. Alright, let's go ahead and just jump right into the details. On the bottom of the shoe, we got this really, really nice black outsole. As you guys know, the Air Jordan 1 outsole, usually all the same. It is the same for this one. We have this white midsole going around the whole shoe, and then the uppers is where everything starts to get interesting. And I must say, Jordan has been killing it with the releases this year, and this is another banger to add. We have a nubuck material and nubuck/suede material on the uppers. There's so many colors. Wow, okay, so looking even more, there's like stuff I'm not noticing. Like, I just noticed this orange stitching up here, and then this gray color right before the heel of the shoe, so that's really dope. Leather on the shoe is looking smooth all around, nothing tumbled on it. That's perfectly fine. I think the smooth leather look looks great on these shoes. We have like this sand colorway up here toward the front of the shoe, and on the back we get a variety of colors on it. We have this lighter blue mixed with this dark navy blue closer to the sock liner of the shoe, which is black. The sock liner is black. And then we have the heel area, black leather, Nike swoosh, black leather. On those two, you got this really nice white stitching, which looks great. And then we also have the gray color with some orange. So just a quick intrusion, but you guys could see the 3M right there, the embroidered swoosh, and then the back, this gray area is all 3M. So that is super dope, and as you guys can see, the detail on the shoe and the stitching just look so good. Really an amazing shoe. Complements the box very well, and the craftsmanship is impeccable. Some orange stitching on it, which also looks really good. And then the big thing on these shoes is the fact that you can actually cut the Air Jordan 1 to turn it into a low. Personally, I don't think I would do that, just because I like the extra color that the upper has on it. But it would be really interesting to see. And if you guys do that, tag me in the pictures at Jordan in Vegas, because I want to see that. But yeah, so what I do see is this indent on the ankle is very deep, and the suede and color they use for this ankle part right here looks amazing. If they did a whole shoe with this color, it would do great. But insole, I was hoping for a little more on the insole, but it is that midnight navy blue, or not midnight navy, navy blue with orange Nike Air on the insole, and then you have a black tongue orange Nike Air on the top two. Oh wow, okay, the back of the tongue is like it has a hint of orange underlying the whole black top part. Also guys, we have a 3M material going around the toe box. It kind of disappears in some areas, but it is definitely there, and you guys will definitely be able to see it in pictures. Overall, I am really excited for this shoe. I really like it. I saw someone make a post and they were using the orange laces, so that is definitely something I'm gonna have to try. I think the orange laces give it just enough of this good pop to the shoe. The box corresponds so well with what these shoes are. They're supposed to look a little crazy, you know, they're supposed to be customized and they're supposed to be out there, and that's what I really like. I want to see, if I got 2 pairs, I would probably try and cut it and turn it into low just to see how it looks, but I was only able to secure 1. But man, I'm happy with this shoe. I think orange laces are gonna look great. The shoe is great, quality is good, and when the quality is good on a Jordan, you know, it does perform well.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh jeez!
Quality is great on these shoes. I really like it. It is something I don't want to pass up on. At the end of the year, I'm going to do my first podcast episode talking about a bunch of stuff sneaker related. It's going to have Cody. It's going to be funny. It's going to be enjoyable. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And the first episode is going to be going over, hopefully, all of the Air Jordan 1s of the year and seeing where everything ranks. These, I definitely like it. Is it the best Air Jordan 1 colorway that has released this year? Probably not. Is it something that should be looked at carefully and appreciated? Definitely. But yeah, thank you to Crossover for the raffle win. I really enjoy these shoes. If you guys are looking for shoes and are local to the Las Vegas area, make sure to check out Akame Kicks and Kicked Out LV. Stay tuned for the bloopers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, Soul Squad, have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comments section. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Till next time, let me know your guys' thoughts on these. I know a lot of people were not rocking with them, so I honestly want to hear your guys' opinion. But yeah, let me know. Hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till next time, see ya soon. Gotta get a quick fit pic. You know what the vibe is. fits like this don't come that often, you know? So let's see what we could do. You know, I got some ops around here. Just got some ops, so I always gotta keep a lookout who's around here. You always just gotta keep a lookout. You never know. I got it on me, so I might blast. I think he just does something and run it back. I might have to cut the cameras. Goddamn, man. Swinging the bag all willing. What? I'm not swinging the bag.
Ah, you freak.
That's not my bag. Got your yellow, got your green, got your blue, got your dark blue, got your white. All the colors of the rainbow. Where's purple? It's not on there.